Hello, this is Dr. Mohammed Amini. As part of UNICAN's professional obligations, today I would like to talk about one of the programs called TRV, Temporary Residence Permit, and to provide you with an information on how this program works and who is qualified and who is eligible. Well, temporary residence visa, which is also called as visitor visa, is normally divided into two parts. The first is the tourist visa, or for any purpose which is not commercial visit. It means that you do not have any intention to make any money out of your travel, and it is not related to any business purpose. So that is, the purpose is called as tourist visa. The other type of temporary residence visa, or the TRV, is for the people who want to go to Canada for any business purposes. It can be a partner you have got in Canada who is inviting you to go to his company. For example, you have got an existing company here in Dubai or anywhere else, and you have got a partner who has got an office there, and he invites you there because you want to go there, you want to see Canada, and you want to start cooperating with your partner. Or it can be any other business associates who would like to invite you and you would like to go there and to investigate the market. Or the last part is that you personally would like to go there to investigate the market, to see the situation, and finally either to start a business by purchasing an existing business or to apply for one of the immigration programs of Canada. So this is called as a business visa. It is very important that when you are talking about your purpose, when you are providing the information to the Canadian Immigration Office, you have to be very clear on your purpose. Because if you are not clear on your purpose, there is a big possibility that your visa is rejected. You know, at the moment, of course, immigration has become a trend, and many people would like to immigrate to different countries for their own purposes, for a better life, or for the better life for the future of their children and a spouse. So the demand has increased, especially in the world which is internet, which is communication, and information is exchanged very easily, and even traveling is not as difficult as 20 years ago. So automatically the countries will have procedures to protect their land and to make sure that the people who are intending to work or live or visit their countries, they are genuine people with a genuine interest and a genuine reason. So that is why when you are applying for any type of visa, specifically a temporary residence visa, you have to be given a proper advice and you have to know what exactly you want to do. In UNICAN, we are dedicated to our clients to give them an honest interpretation of their situation. If we see an applicant who is not really eligible and he doesn't have or she doesn't have the required elements, which is normally inspected and surveyed by the Canadian Immigration Office, we advise them that they do not apply, because normally when you apply for even a residence permit, it will be part of your, let's say, profile in future. If later on you want to apply for Europe, for other places, normally they will ask you whether you have got any type of visa refused or rejected. Of course, later on I will talk about what is the difference between a refused visa and a rejected visa, and that is the reason that you have to be really aware of what you want to do and what is the purpose of your travel. In general, the TRV, the temporary residence visa for tourist purposes, it will also include, this will be in the same category, it will include visiting your parents, if you have got any parents in Canada, visiting your children. For example, maybe you have got a child who is studying in Canada, you are eligible to apply for a visitor visa to visit your children. And normally at the moment, Canada has, let's say, in the past few years has ratified a law that normally when they want to give somebody a visitor visa, they grant the person, either they don't grant it, or if they grant it, normally they grant it for 5 years. So it means that The advantage of the program is that when you get the visitor visa for 5 years for Canada, you will be able to move in and out as many times as you would like, as long as your reasons are genuine and you really want to go for the purposes that you have initially stated. And when you want to renew your visa, also you have to be aware that what type of behavior you should have taken, what steps you should have taken during the first 5 years that you have had your visa. And this is also another part which you really need to be aware of when you start your program or when you want to intend to renew your program. And finally, I would like to tell you that even if your parents are in Canada, you are not automatically entitled to apply for the visa and to be granted for the visa. You have to have certain minimum requirements honestly declared to the Canadian government. And an officer who is a single person who will be looking into your file will study your file and finally will decide whether you are admissible to enter the land of Canada or not. So if you would like to apply for Canada and you would like to seek an honest advice on your procedure, you can contact us. We will discuss the matter with you and we would be more than happy to help you with a group of lawyers that we have got as your legal representative. We will be able to apply your files. Have a great day. Till the next program. Bye.